Hi friends, welcome to the Money Breeder. In this video, I'm going to discuss about how to trade the retracement and also which retracement is the reversal pattern or which retracement is the trend continuation. Okay, some secrets are there which I am going to discuss in this video. Before going into the video, this is the standard disclaimer. Please be mindful of it. Okay. Coming to the topic, these are the I call it as a my own strategy TMB 123. This is not the new strategy which I discovered. Okay, this is already there in the market. Just based on my experience, I trimmed it little bit here and there. Okay, here normally whenever there is a fall, right, fall like this, right, whenever there is a fall like this, last candle you make the last candle high, last candle low. Okay, next time market when it comes back in this region, if it is going to start reactions, okay, some rejections like this is what you can start initiating the trade in the reversal side. Okay, and conveniently if the market comes here, conveniently it is going up means, okay, this is not the reversal point, this is the just like a retracement. You can start trading into the trend. That is the simple logic. Okay, in this process, right, even in the last video I mentioned, okay, if this crosses, let's say for example here the difference is here, you are seeing it is conveniently going up, right? Once it goes up, wait for the fourth retracement level. Okay, one, two, three, fourth retracement level, wait for the fourth and initiate at the fourth. This is the simple logic behind this strategy. Okay, if the market start reversal from here itself, you initiate the trade here itself. Otherwise wait for the fourth one. Okay, another observation is, after third stage, right, after the third stage you will see the narrow range pattern which I have discussed in the previous video. Narrow range 3, narrow range 5 comma 6. Okay, narrow range 11 or 12 candles. Okay, between 11 and 12 candles which is going to reversal. Okay, this is how it react actually. Okay, what I am trying to tell you guys is, you mark this candle high and low. Okay, the moment market reaches to this area, okay, if you see the rejections, you can start trading in this level. Okay, otherwise wait for the fourth stage where definitely you will see the fall. This is what I meant for this strategy. Simple, right? Very simple. Okay, let's say here you missed the market, here you saw the market, you marked this level. Next time when it comes, right, okay, it is not giving any reaction, some small rejection candle is there. Okay, but it went up. Okay, next time market here and here, observe for this area which you saw the some rejection candle. This is where you start initiating the trade and use the trend. This is what the strategy is. Very simple for the reversal. 1 2 3 4. Okay, either first here itself you can trade. Okay, don't trade here, wait for this one. Waiting for fourth one is something like waiting for narrow range candles 3 or narrow range candles 5, narrow range candles 11 or 12. Okay, here it is 12 candles are there. Okay, you can check today nifty. Okay, this is the strategy. Let me show you in the chart. This is Nifty chart. Today what happening, in the Nifty, interestingly, this is what I told, 1 2 3 4. Okay, 4. If we see here the price range, right, the date range, okay, from here to here, you will see the 12 candles, right, 11 to 12 candles. Okay, exactly, we cannot say this is the candle start from here and end from here, not like that. Okay, around 1 hour consolidation should be there. Okay, here what my observation was, Nifty is rising in this area. Okay, at the same time, let me show you, at the same time put option also started rising. Okay, call option also started rising. You observe here actually 1240, from 1240 call option is rising. Okay, put option also rising. This is the phenomena what we can understand this. Along with the Nifty, if the call option also rises, which is the meaningful. Okay, put option also rising, which is not meaningful, which is giving you some suspicious activity. Most probably the call option stop loss hunting. Okay, put option rising is very interesting thing in the market. When the market is trading in the green, put option rising is, that means upcoming there is a market fall. Okay, that is the meaning. And in the call option, somebody is trying to do the stop loss hunt. Okay, how to plan this kind of things? Okay, during this consolidation, you can see this kind of strange behaviors. That time you have to check the market and plan accordingly. Okay, my plan was today, okay, when it is rising, I wanted to sell the call. Okay, initiate here somewhere. If this goes to the previous high, add, do the averaging here. If it goes to the previous high, do the averaging it. Okay, finally make the 30 points stop loss. This was my trade plan. Okay, let me go to the call option. Sorry. Okay, what is this? This is the call option. Okay, this is the call option. It is rising. Okay, first I wanted to take the entry at this level, which is, okay, 230. Then this level, okay, 245 is the high. Around 240 to 245, you cannot take the exactly at the, then around here, right, 160 to 260 to 265 levels. Okay, make the average price around 250. Okay, have the stop loss of 280 and hold the position for 1:1. Okay, 30 points. Okay, this is what my trade plan today I had in the afternoon. This is what I executed my trade plan. Okay, let me show you. These are the positions orders. Okay, initially I thought of initiating the trade with 750. Okay, 750, then by mistake I executed. Immediately I corrected my mistake and exited this. Then I waited for 10 more minutes. My psychology is something like, okay, whatever happens, that is good for me only, so exit. You did the mistake and correct the mistake and wait for give the some more time, so that your brain will get cool off. Okay, 230 I initiated the trade, 230, then 240. Okay, once again I wanted to initiate the trade at 260 levels, but it is not going to the 260 level. Why this averaging method I chosen? Because put option and call option is going together. If I keep immediately the stop loss, there is a probability of stop loss hunt. Okay, I may exit, I may kick it out from here itself. Instead of that, okay, market definitely it is going to fall actually. Okay, when you know that, right, you should not put the early stop loss and give up the thing. That is where take here, take here, take here, and keep the stop loss somewhere here. Okay, after stop loss hunt, definitely it is going to fall. That is what we are seeing in the chart. Okay, that is the reason I planned like this. Okay, Mr. Madhu, you are so confident. Why can't you take the very big lot? Okay, that is where the discipline comes, right? We should not do that. Okay, my plan is something like this, something like this. Okay, make the average price of 250, have the 30-point stop loss 280. Okay, trade up to 208 is my target, but 210 it is coming and rising once again. So that is where I gave up and I exited at 214. Okay, I waited for few minutes. Here it is defending. I exited actually. Okay, this is what the concept I was talking. Okay, here the retracement, real retracement. Okay, I took the 230, 240 averaging it, 260. I didn't get the chance. Okay, average price became 238. Then I put the 284 is the stop loss. Even if that once again comes and hit for the 260 levels stop loss, right? I should not affect. That is the reason I put 284 in between. I am ready for adding one more lot or two more lots nearby 160. That is where I put that stop loss of 184. Okay, my exit was at 214. Okay, finally I made the profit of 18,000 rupees, in which lot of attempts I had the 4-5 attempts, right? Obviously charges will be very high. 800 is the charges. I'm trying to reduce the charges. Okay, if I am trying to reduce the charges, what happens? Most of the time I do the reversal trades. For reversal trades, how can I trade only 1:2? I cannot wait for the 1:2 because the small retracements only I wanted to trade. Okay, this retracement will not give us like 1:2, 1:3, 1:4. Maximum 1:1 with 60%, more than 60% success rate is the better thing. That is what the methodology I choose actually. Okay, that is how the discipline means. Okay, sometimes of course I am also human being. I will also lose the temper and I will go with the extreme level. That immediately we can realize it. Okay, that's all from this video. Okay, this is where the chart I was telling. Okay, please do this research, this exercise on the live chart. You can understand better. Okay, if you are liking this content, please press the like button and also subscribe for my channel. Thank you so much.